Hey guys, so today I'm going to do a requested effect on After Effects, so it's just a text effect. It is actually quite simple. All you need to do is download this animation composer thing, so if you type into Google, I'll leave a link down in the description anyway for you to download, and I already left it ages ago, so you might already have it. But if you don't, you just go into Google and type in Mr. Horse Animation Composer, and you should get this, you should get a download for it, and it's literally just like sort of like a free plugin that you can add to your After Effects, and then it shows up as a script here. I think you need to go into somewhere around here. Yeah, there you go. So it should, once you have installed it and downloaded it, you go to Window and you just take this animation composer thing, and then it will come up with this little window, and you can move it around anywhere in your workspace, wherever you see it fit the best. So I'm just gonna start a new composition, and we are going to just keep the settings whatever it is that I have. I'm gonna make it a bit longer though, like let's make it 2 seconds just for this effect. Okay, and I'm gonna make a new layer, a solid color. I'm gonna go for like a beige or something, like a very light sort of beige-ish color. Right, there we go. Awesome. And you're gonna take your wait, is that how you do it? Yes, it is. Okay, so you're gonna, sorry, I got confused for a second there. So you're gonna take your text effect and you're gonna pop your text in here, just whatever you want. I'm gonna pop your text here. I'm gonna change this one. This one's not gonna be animated, so I'm just gonna change this one to where's my thing? Where's my text thing? Okay, I don't think I have my text thing up here. Character. There we go. Okay. I'm just going to change this to a very simple font. I'm just going to go for Montserrat, or however you pronounce that. Don't judge me. There we go. Okay, and we're going to go for a medium. And I'm just going to make it smaller. Quite a lot smaller, and I'm gonna adjust this. Okay, and now we're just gonna center it right here. Oh, sorry. Right, I kind of want that. Why is that like super squished? I don't know why that's squished, but whatever. We're just gonna keep it as it is for now. And we're just gonna do this to make it appear less squishy, at least. Okay, so that's just going to be our stationary text up here. I'm going to leave that above the actual text that's going to be animated. So if you still have your little tool, your text tool selected, just go on and press somewhere else on the composition and write your bigger text. This is going to be the animated one. So I'm just going to write it like this, and now we're going to choose a nice little font to go with it. Something that is a bit different, I guess. I would suggest that when you do like your text effects in general, just try and make your texts, like choose one that's really simple, kind of like the Montserrat that I did there, and then choose another one that's kind of like different, like something that stands out. So I think I'm just gonna go for let's see, I mean that one's fine, I guess that one works. And we're just going to center it again. And I'm just going to choose the arrow thing and move it down a little bit. So we've got it positioned where we want it. Okay, that's good. Now you're going to go to your window with your animation composer, and if you go into your transition presets, this is where you can find all your text presets. So what we want for this one, you've got animate characters, animate lines, and animate words. So obviously they each do what they say. So if you go for the animate characters, it's going to be animations that have each letter separately coming in. Lines, it's going to be like if you have 2 lines of your text, it's going to be 1 line, then the second one, and then words, obviously each word. So we're going to go for the animate characters. And I'm not actually sure which one this is, so I'm going to have to find it first, but it is quite easy to do so. If you just... Okay, it's probably that one. I think it's that one. So the overshoot ones are the ones that have kind of a bit of a bounce here, you can see. Bounce ones are going to be like this. And then basic ones are not going to have a lot of like... Yeah, see, it doesn't like bounce and it doesn't feel very animated. So I'm going to use this one. I believe that's the preset that was requested for the video. So all you do, you need to make sure that you have your text layer selected, the one that you want to add your animation to. You literally just drag the preset to apply as in, and that's going to be your transition in. And if you want it to go out as well, you can again just drop it in to the out position. And right here you can see you've got a little arrow where your animation ends, so you can choose to make that quicker if you drag the arrow in, or if you drag it out, it's going to be slower. And then you have your text animating in as you wish. And that's it. So you can choose from any other presets that you want to with Mr. Horse. He has quite a few. It's not as many as an editor would want, but he does have like packets that you can buy if you wish to. I haven't actually decided to do that yet, but I definitely had my moments where I wanted to buy it, but they are quite expensive, so just be wary of that. But if you want to, it's definitely a good source and an easy way to make text effects later on if you would like that. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope this was useful to the person that requested this, and I will speak to you all later. Bye!